Driving down the highway but your speedometer says you are going 0 miles per hour. Code P0500 means your car has lost track of how fast it is going. This is a generic trouble code that applies to almost all vehicles on the road, including Toyota, Honda, Ford, Dodge, and BMW. The code specifically means that the vehicle speed sensor, or VSSS, is malfunctioning and sending incorrect data to the engine control module. The speed sensor sits in the transmission housing and uses a spinning metal ring on the transmission output shaft to measure the rotational speed. The computer takes this data and converts it into your vehicle speed. When code P0500 is active, you will experience several frustrating symptoms. The most obvious is that your speedometer or odometer will stop working entirely. You might also lose your anti-lock brakes, see the brake warning light on your dash, and feel your automatic transmission shifting very poorly. In some cars, the engine computer will even lower the maximum RPM limit to protect the engine, making the car feel extremely slow. The main causes for this code are a dead vehicle speed sensor, broken or melted wiring leading to the sensor, or the computer being configured for the wrong tire size. If you recently put massive off-road tires on your truck, that could be the issue. To solve this, the best first step is to check for technical service bulletins, or TSBs, for your specific make and model. Sometimes manufacturers release specific updates for speed sensor issues. Next, crawl under the vehicle and inspect the wiring going to the transmission or rear axle. Look for melted wires near the exhaust pipe or wires chewed by rodents. If the wiring is intact, you will need to test the voltage at the sensor. If the sensor has power and ground but no signal, it is time to replace the sensor. Since this code affects your transmission shifting and anti-lock brakes, it is not something you should ignore. If replacing the sensor does not fix the problem, you should take the car to a qualified mechanic who can trace the electrical circuits. Keep your car running smooth, and thanks for tuning in.